Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Menards credit card account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Menards credit card account, what you can do is just open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Menards credit card login. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says capital 1. And now what you can do is you can tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in it will take you to your sign in page. And over here what you can do is just enter your username and password. So just simply enter your username. In the first blank, and then enter your password, and make sure to check in this option which says remember me. After checking that option, now you can tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgotten username and password, and after tapping on forgotten username or password you can reset or recover your password. After resetting and recovering your password, come back to this page and just enter the password that you have recovered, and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in you will successfully sign into your account. You can also set up an account if you don't have an account by tapping on setup online access. That's it guys. This is how to log into your Menards credit card account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.